Hi everyone, this is Brad over at ubersimple. We're going to take a look at today at a problem that probably many people face when they try to work with images. You have a bunch of images that you want to resize, but you can only resize a folder to one dimension. We've come across this a lot where we have a lot of icons and we want to use them in different places throughout the web, applications, software, and in print, and you need multiple resolutions. So we decided to come up with a way where you could take a folder of multiple images and also convert it to multiple resolutions. We call this uberMIMR. So let's take a look at how it works. We have a folder of about 67 images here, and we're going to take these and convert them all into 67 total images, and we're going to take and convert them all to probably the most common resolution. So we're going to go ahead, we have a timer up here, we're going to time this and show you how it works. So here it goes. Okay, the timer started and we're converting. So it's actually taking every one of these images in the source folder and it's converting it to the smaller format. So you can see here it's converting all our little goober icons to 32 pixels. And it's naming them 32 at the end so we can quickly filter them later if we put them all in one folder. And we've already started going here and we got the 48 pixels running. These are going to be used in more mobile applications. Here's our 50 pixels coming along. And the folders keep going. So you can see it's got 80 pixels, it's going into 96. We're going to pause this along the way just so we don't waste a lot of time. Okay, we're just crossing the 2-minute mark and we've converted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 resolution sizes. Now don't forget we have 67 images going at 11, now we're at 12 resolutions. So doing this by hand would just be too much, and if you make a change to a color or a graphic or an alignment and you have to redo this all manually, it'd just be such a cumbersome task. And now you can just simply click a button and have all your images rewritten, resized, and you can go ahead and pick what you need, and anything you have extra you just delete the folder. It's pretty simple to have all the resolutions that you want. So we're going to let the timer keep running and catch up with you in just a bit. And here we are getting closer to the end. So these last few resolutions, you can see we started at 32 pixels and we worked our way up pretty gradually over all the common pixels you'd want to see. And we're in the 1920s, which is now your high def resolutions. We're at 2048. These ones actually take a little bit longer to run because they're processing the images at a much larger scale. So if you're doing smaller images, this can run really quick, but we want to show a full example of the images going all the way up to 2560. So we're just going to let you see how this works out and give it a full timer. And here's our last resolution. So now it's going ahead and doing 2560, which is one of the bigger resolutions you're going to see on monitors. Okay, we should be finishing up on our last few images. And we're done. So 9 minutes and 53 seconds. So let's just go back real quick and just show what we've done. We've got all these images that we've compressed. There are 1,296 files. Okay, here's a quick statistic. So it only worked out that 48 of the images needed to be converted, and we had 27 different resolutions that we converted them to. And of course we spelled that wrong. Alright, you get the idea. Anyways, total images created 1296, took 10 minutes to process. That's about 2 images per second or 130 per minute. If you had to do that by hand, creating 1,300 images would be a nightmare. So head over to our website, ubersimple.com, look at our projects page, and find the multi-image, multi-resolution project and sign up to get notifications. This is something that we have the code for that we can release, and we're just preparing it to be a little bit simpler for the public to use. But go ahead and follow us and find us on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and Google+. Talk to you soon. Thanks.